Accountability. Definition, types, benefits, and example. Now, have you ever said you were going to do something and then didn't? Or maybe you've seen someone take full responsibility for their actions. Whether things went right or wrong, that idea is called accountability, and it plays a huge role in finance, business, and everyday life. Accountability means being responsible for your actions, decisions, and outcomes, and being willing to answer for them. In simple terms, it's owning what you do. Now, this might sound basic, but it is one of the most powerful principles behind trust and success. Trust and success. Let's break this down for you, layman person. If you're watching this, you must be sorry. In any situation, whether it's managing money, running a business, or working as in a team, someone needs to take responsibility for results. That's accountability. For example, if you set a budget and overspend, accountability means recognizing it, understanding why it happened, and making changes. It's not about blaming others, it's about taking ownership. Do you understand? Now, there are different types of accountability as well. Personal accountability is about making responsibility for your own actions, like sticking to financial goals or managing your spending. Now, this reflects my actions. I need to do this. Professional accountability applies in the workplace, where employees and managers are responsible for their roles and performance. Financial accountability is especially important. It means being responsible for how money is handled, whether it's your personal finance or company's funds. So why does accountability matter? It builds trust. When people know you take responsibility, they're more likely to rely on you. It improves performance where you know you're accountable. You're more likely to stay focused and make better decisions. And in finance, accountability helps prevent mistakes, fraud, and poor management. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a business owner who tracks every expense and regularly reviews their finances. If something goes wrong, they don't ignore it, they fix it. That's accountability in action. Now compare that to someone who avoids checking their finances or blames others when things go wrong. Over time, that lack of accountability can lead to serious problems. A common misunderstanding is thinking accountability is about punishment. It is not. It's about responsibility and improvement. Another misconception is that it only applies to leaders. In reality, accountability applies to everyone, whether you're managing a company or managing your own money. So what's the key takeaway? What's the key takeaway? Now, accountability is about taking ownership of actions and outcomes that you made. It builds trust, improves decision making, and is essential for success, especially when it comes to managing money. And once you embrace accountability, you'll start to see real progress, not just in finance, but in every area of your life. Thank you for watching.